I got what was hopefully a fun little video today. I have 6 different 30mm padlocks. We're going to see who wins. Start things off with this poor little master lock number 7 that's seen better days. That one didn't take too long. We're going to go with its competitor, I guess. Clone. Oh, this one still has a security grid in it. Forgot about that. I should pick this thing more, but there it is. And why not? We'll go with the Garrison next, which is just a wannabe Master Lock 130. We're going to go with the moki tensioner. Get a little bit of length. These little tiny padlocks. Yeah, there's some clicks. Why is this one giving me a problem? Why is this giving me so much problem today? There it is. Alright. 131 from Master Lock. That one didn't really stand much of a chance. This is a Brinks 30mm. Oh. I have to do the same thing with it. My hands are getting... Throw my short hook right off this edge. Come on. There it is. Top pin must be really short. And now for my personal favorite as far as overall quality and looks. I do use a shorter, narrower, tensioner. Good false set. There she is. All right. Yeah, I'll let you all be the judge who won. You can put it in the comments if you wish, but I still really like this Labus quality-wise.